All right, hello, Hypercycle community. This is Raymond Mata. I am the lead tech support and also customer success. And today we're going to be diving into the V2 DApp, dap.hypc.ai. That's where you're managing your node factories. That's also where you're handling HTS and your chilling. We're going to go through some of the steps involved in the management of your node factory and the assets underlying the node factory. Okay, now we're back to merging the license. This is the merge license function. Merging license really only are possible under very specific conditions. You can't just merge any licenses together, even if they're the same level. They have to be within the same binary tree, okay? And the way that you know that is if you're noticing here inside of the ID of the license, this particular sequence of numbers here is almost exactly the same as the sequence of numbers here. The differences you've noticed here is one is a consecutive number of the second. So here the last three digits are 435, and then the other one are 434. Not only that, but the consecutive number is an odd number, and the previous is an even, okay? So that's very important. Previous even, consecutive odd, and they're in the same sequence. Okay, if you have a condition where you have two nodes that follow these rules, they can be merged. It's very important you know that, otherwise it'll be very frustrating. So we're going to click merge here, confirm, and we'll wait for the little wheel to stop spinning. Okay, after the wheel has stopped spinning, you see the two licenses still appear to be split. They've been merged. You just have to refresh your page. And you see the license is now back to a level 11.